If you are over the age of 60 and you have noticed that your legs feel heavy, cold, or even a bit tingly after a short walk, I need you to listen very closely because what you are feeling isn't just a natural sign of getting older. It is a direct signal from your cardiovascular system that your blood flow is reaching a critical bottleneck. Imagine your arteries are like the plumbing in a grand old house. Over decades, mineral deposits and debris build up, narrowing the pipes and forcing the pump to work twice as hard just to get a trickle of water to the furthest rooms. In your body, those furthest rooms are your feet and calves, and when the blood flow slows down, your tissues begin to starve for oxygen, which is why that heavy leg feeling is actually a cry for help that you cannot afford to ignore. Today, I am going to share with you a specific, scientifically backed drink that acts like a natural liquid key to unlock those vessels, along with the exact lifestyle shifts you need to make to ensure your circulation stays robust well into your 80s and 90s. Understanding circulation starts with the endothelium, which is the thin inner lining of your blood vessels that manages how much they dilate or constrict, and as we age, this lining becomes less efficient at producing nitric oxide, the miracle molecule that tells your muscles to relax and let the blood through. This is where our specialized drink comes into play, primarily centered around the power of inorganic nitrates found in specific root vegetables like beets, which the body converts into nitric oxide with incredible efficiency. When you drink a concentrated glass of beet juice mixed with a hint of ginger and lemon, you aren't just hydrating. You are essentially sending a chemical messenger through your system that forces those tight, narrow vessels in your legs to expand, a process known as vasodilation, which has been shown in clinical studies to improve walking endurance in seniors by up to 15% in just a few weeks. However, it isn't just about what you drink. It is also about the timing and the temperature, as drinking warm or room temperature liquids can prevent the sudden constriction of vessels that often happens with ice-cold beverages, ensuring that the nutrients reach your extremities without resistance. Beyond the drink itself, we have to address the what not to do aspect of senior leg health, which includes avoiding prolonged periods of static sitting that allow blood to pool in the lower extremities, leading to those unsightly and uncomfortable varicose veins, or even dangerous clots. You should aim to perform ankle pumps every hour, simply flexing your feet up and down to engage the calf muscle, which acts as a secondary heart to push blood back up toward your torso against the pull of gravity. Diet plays a secondary but vital role here as well, so while this drink is your fast-track solution, you must pair it with a reduction in high-sodium processed foods that cause water retention and put unnecessary pressure on your arterial walls. Remember that your vascular health is a reflection of your overall vitality, and by focusing on these simple, natural interventions, you are giving your body the tools it needs to maintain mobility and independence for years to come. To wrap everything up, we have learned that increasing blood flow in your legs after 60 requires a combination of nitric oxide, boosting drinks like beet and ginger juice, consistent calf muscle activation, and a conscious effort to keep your vascular lining flexible. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let me know in the comments what topic you want to see next.